Hi everyone, I'm Ashwantem, student of SVCA Bangalore. My branch is CSC. Subject is Operating System. Introduction to File Organization Techniques. File organization techniques are essential for efficient data management. In the single level directory technique, all files are stored in a single directory without any subdirectories. This simple structure allows for quick access to files, but can lead to clutter in large systems. What is a single level directory? A single level directory is a file organization technique where all files are stored in a single directory without any subdirectories. This means that all files are listed in one location, making it very easy to access them. However, this simplicity can also lead to challenges in organizing and managing files efficiently. Advantages of using a single level directory. Easy access. All files are in one place, making it easier to locate and access them. And simple management. It simplifies file organization and reduces the chances of nested or duplicate files. At last, reduced complexity. Users can easily navigate through a single level directory without deep hierarchies. Disadvantages of using a single level directory: lack of organization, difficulty in file retrieval, risk of duplication. Firstly, lack of organization. With only one level, it can become chaotic and hard to navigate, especially with a large number of files. Second, difficulty in file retrieval. Locating specific files becomes cumbersome as there is no hierarchy to organize and categorize them. Risk of duplication. Without subdirectories, users may end up creating duplicate files to maintain structure. How to create a single level directory? To create a single level directory, you can use the command line or file manager interface. In the command line, use the mkdir command followed by the directory name. In a file manager, right click and choose new folder or its equivalent. Remember to keep the directory names simple and descriptive to maintain clarity. How to organize files in a single level directory. Alphabetical order, naming conventions, file tagging. Firstly, alphabetical order. To keep the files organized in a single level directory, arrange them alphabetically based on their names. This helps in easily finding and accessing specific files just by knowing their names. Secondly, naming conventions. Establish clear and consistent naming conventions for files to maintain order. This includes using prefixes, suffixes, or specific keywords to categorize and differentiate different types of files. File tagging. Utilize the tagging or labeling systems to add metadata and keywords to the files. This allows for advanced search and filtering functionalities, making it easier to locate and manage files in the directory. Examples of using a single level directory: organizing documents, naming convention, project management. Organizing documents. Using a single level directory to store various documents like reports, presentations, and spreadsheets. Naming convention. Applying a consistent and logical naming convention to the files within a single level directory for easy retrieval. Project management. Managing different project files in a single level directory to keep them organized and accessible. Comparison with other file organization techniques: single level directory, tree structure directory, as a acyclic draft directory. Single level directory organizes all files in a single directory and simpler and easier to navigate and may lead to clutter and difficulty in locating files. In tree structure directory, files are organized in a hierarchical tree structure allows for better organization and categorization and increased complexity but efficient for large datasets. Acyclic graph directory allows for multiple paths to access a file, offers flexibility but can lead to redundancy, potential for inconsistency and maintenance challenges. Best practices for using a single level directory. Keep file names concise. Use short descriptive names for files to make them easy to locate and identify. Secondly, maintain regular backups. Regularly backup files to prevent data loss and ensure the safety of important information. Third, use clear and consistent naming conventions. Establish a naming standard to ensure uniformity and organization within the directory. And last, avoid overloading the directory. Limit the number of files to maintain accessibility and prevent clutter. Conclusion and key takeaways. After exploring the single level directory file organization technique, it's clear that it offers simplicity but lacks the ability to handle a large number of files. When considering file organization, it's essential to weigh the advantages and disadvantages before deciding on the most suitable technique. Thank you.